So now we have to make the sauce. So like I said, the chicken is cooked separately, the sauce separately. Now the sauce work happens. Okay, go for it. Lasan, thoda sa. This pyaz, fried onion. For that amount of chicken, about 500 grams, we'll probably use, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomatoes. All right. We're going to grind this to a paste, a fine paste. So now what we're going to do is we have ground the whole paste. Now we're going to chano it. We need a smooth, creamy paste for this gravy. All right. So you've got to chano it. So, and do it in the dish you're going to cook it in. So just straight away do it there. So all the muck is out and the smoothness is in. Smooth paste. And chicken is happening. Rinse some water and clean it up and put the whole thing in it. So all the unwanted non-dissolvable parts are out and we have the beautiful creamy tomato gravy. So this is continuing to cook, right? You can see the oil separate, but doesn't matter. Just go on. Keep at it. So now that creamy tomato gravy is on the flame, we're going to make the butter chicken gravy now. Now we'll add some degi mirch powder. This. Some salt. There was salt here as well, so just balance the salt in both the places. इसको हम क्या करेंगे, उबालेंगे?
हाँ जी, उबालेंगे हम इसको, मक्खन डालेंगे इसमें.
Makhan, it is butter chicken after all, right? So that's the butter part of it coming in now. But this is not very rich. This is not very high on butter. So we add butter. That's what goes in. Put all dal de paji. So butter is not too high in this particular format, but it gets the wonderful flavor. All right. वो भी डाल दीजिए एक बार. We got to dry this. This will all become like almost they've cooked and become like a tikka. This works. Let me do some work as well. That's covered. Now we're going to add what? You can? Smoke करने के लिए, हाँ, that's the most important part. We have to smoke the chicken, so we're going to heat the koila, and that itself takes about 15 minutes or so, right? So we just put the koila in the flame, let it just rest 15 minutes and become white hot. We come back to that flow. In the interim, the sauce is being made. We're going to be adding some green chilies. We have a high quotient of chili, so we're adding the hot ones. You can choose to add the not so hot ones. And I just slit them, and in they go.
इसकी खुशबू आ रही है इससे।
So now we're going to add some kasuri methi, but we're going to भूनेंगे इसको ना, कसूरी मेथी ड्राई को भूनेंगे पहले, उसके बाद डालेंगे, वो फ्लेवर चेंज होगा. So watch this, guys. So now we are heating a pan. Chicken is still here. That's the koila. Heating a pan, putting some kasuri methi, and heating that a bit.
थोड़ा हल्का सा
So हल्का सा बस गरम करना है, not too hot.
करारा हो जाए।
So it took like a minute or so, just to get it kind of warmed up. You can touch it. It's all dry, absolutely dry. And you kind of now put it in this. This gives a very different texture, a very different taste, right? And इतना काफ़ी है, तो बचा है वो
डल जाएगा बाद में।
बाद में डलेगा, ठीक है. We continue to cook on medium heat. That's butter chicken. So that had been in its own steam cooking. I don't think it's fully cooked. अभी और बचा है कुक करने के लिए, कुक नहीं हुआ पूरा. This needs to completely cook, or at least 95%, before it goes there. अभी नहीं है, वक्त है अभी. So now the chicken is done, wonderfully soft and cooked 95% through. Now we are going to smoke the chicken. Put in our stuff. Yes. Ghee is ready. It's cold. Winters nowadays, we have to heat the ghee up a bit just to make it liquidify. Put the charcoal in. That's the charcoal. Now we'll cook our job. Now we pour the ghee. Start smoking and just cover it. So let that rest. Let that rest for 10 minutes. Let the whole smoke go into every corner of that chicken. We are looking at trying to, kind of close it so the smoke doesn't escape. And just picking up some atta and doing so, because this cover is not necessarily suited for this pan. If we have it suited, no problem. If you don't, this is what you do. So we need to add cream. If you don't have cream, and if you have malai, take some malai, beat it, it becomes cream. Ketchup, some ketchup has to go in. That's pretty much it. So this gravy is also good for the paneer. Paneer makhani. The only difference is this does not have tej patta and cinnamon. So you may want to add tej patta and cinnamon at some stage while making this gravy. Alright. But just add in paneer to this final gravy and you have paneer makhani. You add chicken to it, is chicken makhani. And you want to smoke the paneer after adding it, you can put that smoke flavor post putting the paneer. So it works always. Now the paneer goes in. And the cream goes in, my bad. So it's butter, it's cream. इसमें पनीर डालेंगे और स्मोक करेंगे तो सेम चीज़ होगी।
हाँ जी
बिल्कुल। बस वो तेज पत्ता और दालचीनी पहले डाल देते हैं।
हाँ पर वो मसाला।
हाँ और एक और चीज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज जब वो डालेंगे तो हम शाही पनीर मसाला भी डालेंगे और शुरू में डालेंगे जब हम टमाटर डालेंगे शाही पनीर मसाला 1-2 चम्मच स्वाद अनुसार और दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड द बटर चिकन. So now we're going to open this I wish you could smell it. That's out of there. And now we're going to add to this spluttering mixture the chicken. The chicken goes in with all the masala. We mix this whole thing together. The color of the butter chicken is already there. The smokiness is all in the kitchen.
थोड़ा ये भी डाल देते हैं खत्म।
थोड़ा और क्रीम. ढाल के निकाल दे इसमें से. वो ढाल के निकाल ले. Why waste the good stuff?
मस्त।
है ना? The thickness is perfect. The chicken is succulent. And I'm sure the taste test will be awesome.
5 मिनट इसको हम वो करेंगे ना ढक के तो दोनों से मिक्स हो जाएगा अच्छा।
हाँ, वो रख दो. Let them come together now. Right now, know me. Yep. Okay. So that's a butter chicken done. Once is इसकी गार्निशिंग क्या करेंगे? अदरक के साथ. नहीं.
धनिया पत्ता।
कुछ नहीं करेंगे, छोड़ दो उसको, ऐसे ही खा लो.
हरी मिर्च।
So ये आपका बटर चिकन हो चुका है. 5 मिनट के बाद एंजॉय.
नान के साथ रोटी।